Imagine breathing new life into a 1980s broadcast camera, transforming its analog output into crisp, modern HDMI. Sounds like a tech enthusiast's dream, right? But here's where it gets controversial. While many dismiss analog technology as outdated, projects like this reveal a surprising depth of innovation and longevity in older designs. Let's dive into how Colby tackled this challenge and why it's more than just a cool DIY project. The transition from analog to digital wasn't an overnight revolution, it was a gradual evolution. Think of it as the shift from record players to iPods or magnetic tapes to hard drives. Even within single devices, this transformation occurred incrementally. Take the Sony DXC-3000A, a 1980s broadcast camera. Despite outputting an analog signal, it houses a discrete pixel CCD sensor, a precursor to modern digital imaging. Colby took this relic and completed its digitization journey by converting its output to HDMI, https://parseval.github.io/DXC3000A-1, bridging decades of technological change. The analog signal this camera originally produced is the familiar composite video, a standard that only recently disappeared from consumer electronics. And this is the part most people miss. Composite video often gets a bad rap, but Colby argues its reputation is largely undeserved. Inspired by a WeMod chip that converts analog outputs to HDMI, he began experimenting. Early attempts resulted in confused colors, but persistence led him to a more compatible chip. With a new PCB, a Feather RP2040, and an HDMI port, the camera now outputs digital video seamlessly compatible with modern devices. Beyond the technical achievement, this project highlights something deeper. The Sony DXC-3000A comes with complete schematics, a user-friendly manual, and built-in serviceability, a stark contrast to today's world of planned obsolescence and proprietary lock-ins. Here's a thought-provoking question. Could the openness and durability of older designs like this be why so many enthusiasts are reviving analog cameras instead of buying new gear? https://hackaday.com/2023/05/12/non-destructive-digital-back-for-a-classic-Leica. This project isn't just about nostalgia, it's a testament to the enduring value of well-designed technology. It challenges us to rethink our relationship with older devices and the potential they still hold. What do you think? Is there untapped potential in the tech of yesteryear, or is it time to fully embrace the new? Share your thoughts in the comments, let's spark a conversation.